Yes guys, welcome back to another unboxing. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Sony SRS-XB13 wireless speaker. I recently picked this up on Amazon. It's currently on offer from £55 to now £39 currently. So you're saving almost like 30%. I did look at various speakers. Obviously, there's other ones like JBL and stuff like that on the market. Mostly for the price point, really. I know with this one, it does come in a multitude of colours. Comes in 6 colours in total. The blue one, definitely kind of seemed the best for me. It also does come with a strap as well, so you can obviously, it's easier to carry around. You can obviously tie it to a bag or at least put it around something if you are using it, maybe such as work, like I will be using. And it isn't the biggest speaker either, but from few of the reviews that I have seen on YouTube, depending on what type of music obviously you want to listen to, this speaker is apparently very bassy, so I would think maybe more like hip-hop, maybe R&B, this would be suited to. But I would think at the same time, majority of any of the music that anybody listens to would be very well suited to this. So let's get on with it, guys, and let's see how it is. So it does have a few instructions actually of how to put the strap on, which, you know, I think you should be able to pretty much do it yourselves. Right guys, we're back. Right, well, here's the speaker in all its glory. So like I say, it's probably about the size of your palm, roughly. There's the strap. So like I say, you could tie this to a bag or obviously carry it in your person, which would be very easy. And I think it's probably strong enough to probably hang from a few things. Like I say, if you're going to hang this on something at work or maybe around your home or something, if you want obviously a bit of height. But as far as the design is really fine. Obviously, you've got like a metal mesh at the top, obviously, for this, cover that. You got the Sony logo there. Obviously, the bottom. On the side, you have obviously your power button, your Bluetooth, your play, your pause, and obviously you've got the 2 volume buttons as well. And bit out, that's where the USB goes for the charging, which you do get a USB Type-C cable with it. So it is very short, mind you, so as far as charging, you're gonna have to be pretty close to a computer to be able to charge it. But for the most part, guys, very simple design. Obviously, it looks really nice. Price point, like I say, as far as price point, I think it's pretty much spot on. I don't think I would recommend if it was at £55. I think that would probably be a little bit too expensive. But I think around the whole £39 at the moment. And like I say, you can get this in 6 colours. You get them black, this blue, coral pink, lemon green, powder blue, and there's like a grey toupee colour as well. So, you know, there's a bit of a choice for everybody. You know, I know it's a colour at the end of the day, but at least it kind of gives you that option, where most speakers are just kind of standard black, which there's nothing wrong with, of course. But, you know, Sony's obviously kind of giving you those options, you know, at a reasonable price point, I think, guys. Right, guys, I'm just going to do a quick kind of rundown of a few of the things that obviously is obviously with this speaker. So the output wattage is 5 watts, so it's not going to be the most powerful speaker, but as far as the amount of hours that you can get out of this is 16. So obviously if you're at work or just a general day, obviously, use of it, it's going to pretty much cover you for the full day. So something like that is going to be very good. This speaker is pretty much known for its deep, punchy bass and clear vocals. So obviously that's something, like I say earlier on, if you're into kind of like the hip hop, R&B, it is going to obviously kind of enhance that, and but I think in general for most music it's going to be pretty fine. Also, guys, what another great feature about this product is that it is waterproof and dust proof. So as far as taking it anywhere, you won't have any issues, any problems with this. So you could possibly take this in the shower. I wouldn't recommend it for obvious reasons, but considering it's waterproof, I wouldn't say it's totally against it. But as far as being in a close proximity, I wouldn't say this is an issue, being in the bathroom with you anyway. But it is lightweight, guys. It's not heavy whatsoever. It does connect to pretty much iPhones, Android devices, that type of nature. So any type of phone, I would imagine that this would be able to connect to and play any of your music that you might have on Spotify or any kind of music app that you may be using currently. You would connect it via Bluetooth, which is pretty much standard, I would think, for most kind of speakers these days. And like I say, even though you probably wouldn't use it for this purpose, you can actually take calls with this as well. So that's just kind of an extra bonus, I guess. I would think most speakers would be able to do that, but considering I don't know too much knowledge of other products regarding speaker wise on the market, to me, obviously, even though I'm not going to use that, it's just an extra bonus at the end of the day, guys. And like I say, for the most part, it's just a pretty much simple product that you're going to either really like, or maybe it's not just for you. Obviously, like I say, there are other brands on the market, but if you want a reliable, obviously not too expensive product, then I think Sony is definitely delivered in this case as far as overall presentation and hopefully functionality also. So guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If there's anything I missed, if there's anything you would like to ask, please ask, and I will try to answer as quick as possible and the best as I can. If you did enjoy the video, please hit that thumbs up. It will be much appreciated. And till next time, guys, I shall see you again.